everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Monday, August 10th, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1. Stocks on Wall Street are set for a higher open to kick off the new week, with risk getting a boost from President Trump's executive decision to extend U.S. jobless benefits to millions of out-of-work Americans. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average were pointing to a gain of about 100 points as of last check. The NASDAQ futures, however, were pointing to a flat open for the tech-heavy index. On to number 2, U.S. fiscal stimulus headlines will likely be the main driver of sentiment today as investors continue to monitor negotiations between White House officials and Democrats over the next coronavirus fiscal stimulus bill. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin on Sunday said they were both open to restarting talks after President Trump took matters into his own hands, signing a series of executive decisions after talks broke down late last week. As always, keep your eyes open to any potential tweet from President Trump or any headline arising from meetings as the session progresses, which could sway sentiment. On to number 3. Monday will feature a number of closely watched earnings reports from a variety of industries and sectors. Some of the most notable names due ahead of the opening bell include Royal Caribbean Cruises and Marriott. Both are expected to report big drops in profit and revenue as the coronavirus pandemic negatively impacted their business. Joining the two in reporting results ahead of the opening bell will be Barrick Gold, Canopy Growth, Workhorse, and Mercado Libre. On to number 4, staying on the earnings front, Inovio Pharmaceuticals and Novavax, two biotech companies currently working on a potential COVID-19 vaccine, are due to release their latest results after the closing bell. Perhaps more important than the top and bottom line figures, investors will be eager to hear how both companies are progressing in their race to deliver a vaccine. Earnings from Tilray, Oxy Petroleum, and Simon Property Group are also on the agenda for this afternoon. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest releases. And finally, number 5 on the data front. In what will be a light day on the economic calendar, the U.S. Labor Department will release its latest monthly job opening and labor turnover survey. The report comes out at 10 a.m. Eastern Time and is expected to show that job openings fell from 5.4 million in May to 5.3 million in June. You can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. That's it for me for today. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good day, everybody.